Hello guys, today we're going to see the unboxing of Panasonic ER-GB30K beard trimmer. This is a simple trimmer with one comb attachment for easy and stylish 3-day beard. Let's see what's inside the box. So here we have some user manuals and warranty. And here is the trimmer. It's small, lightweight and easy to carry around. It runs on 2 AAA batteries, so you don't have to deal with cords or recharging it. When the battery is drained, just pop in a new one and it's ready to go. It has a head which can be adjusted to change the length of the hair that you want to trim. If you want a close trim, you can remove it, which will give you a 0.5mm trim, and which they call as a 3-day beard. The head can be adjusted to trim from 2mm to 18mm in 9 different steps. Here we have the oil for the blade, and here is a cleaning brush. Comparing it to the other shavers in the market, here we have a Philips shaver. The Panasonic trimmer is really small and it's really portable. Here we have a Remington shaver. Let's pop in some batteries and see how it works. It's really quiet. Don't forget to like and share this video. If you really liked it, you can favorite it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's free. Thanks for watching. Bye.